Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 6 subject geography. We'll start with chapter 3, that is motion of the earth, and subtopic is rotation. We feel that the sun moves across the sky from east to west. In reality, however, the sun is always stationary and it is the earth which is moving. We do not feel the movement of the earth because it is too huge. So the earth has two movements, that is rotation and revolution. In this chapter we will read in detail about the two motions and their effects. Let's understand rotation first. Okay, what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth along its axis. And what is axis? Axis is the imaginary line along which the earth spins. The earth's axis is inclined toward the orbital plane at an angle of 66.5 degrees. In other words, the earth axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from a line perpendicular to the plane of orbit. This tilt is known as the inclination of the earth. The earth's complete one rotation in about 24 hours. This is known as 1 earth day. The earth rotates in an anti-clockwise direction from west to east. The earth's axis makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with its orbital plane. Look at this picture. The axis makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with the plane of the earth's orbit. This is the equator and this is axis. Perpendicular to the ecliptic, the plane of the earth's orbit, the plane of the equator, and the plane of ecliptic. So next we have effects of rotation. The rotation of the earth has the following effect. First, formation of day and night. Second, 6 months of day and 6 months of night time at the two poles. Third is the sun appears to rise in the east, travel across the sky and set in the west. Next, occurrence of tide twice a day. Deflection of winds. Okay, next topic we have formation of day and night. How days and nights are formed. Rotation is the daily motion of the earth. Rotation causes day and night. At any time, when one half of the earth that faces the sun will have daytime, the other half that is away from the sun will have night time. The length of the day depends on the number of hours a place on the earth faces the sun. We have the cycle of day and night because the earth is a sphere rotating from west to east constantly. The early period of the morning is known as dawn. As the day advances, the sun is seen overhead. This period is called midday or noon. The day then gradually brings to experiences facing light, which is known as evening, which is followed by sunset. Sunset is followed by the time of darkness, which is called night. Directly opposite to midday is midnight. The circle that divides the earth into day and night is known as the circle of illumination. It does not always coincide with the earth's axis. Look at this picture. This shows the rotation of the earth causes day and night. This is the south pole and the north pole. This is the axis, imaginary line. The sun rays, direction of earth's spin. Okay, there's a question regarding your home assignment. First one is, what is the circle of illumination? And second is, what are the effect of rotation? Okay,